they're all good. Where's Matt? I'll put that bag in here.
Got some fresh salmon, look at that. That's just to fill them up, alright, if they haven't got enough prawns. Stuff a bit of tennis rackets.
This is Anzac Day celebration of the Somme.
Yeah. And do you know what we did is? We're going to see a fucking leper colony. This museum better be good.
The dirty brothers. I think that's what Paul Bush trees go from.